In a strategic move to bolster its military presence in the Indo-Pacific region, the United States Air Force has deployed F-35A Lightning II stealth fighters to Kadena Air Base in Okinawa, Japan. This deployment, part of a rotational strategy, underscores the U.S. commitment to maintaining a robust forward-deployed combat air power presence in the region. On April 24, 2025, F-35 is from the 421st Expeditionary Fighter Squadron, EFS, at Hill Air Force Base, Utah, arrived at Kadena, marking the latest phase of ongoing rotational deployments. These advanced fifth-generation fighters are joined by additional F-35s from the 355th EFS, Eielson Air Force Base, Alaska, and F-15E Strike Eagles from the 336th EFS, Seymour Johnson AFB, North Carolina. All units are collaborating with Kadena's 18th Wing Operations and Maintenance Groups to ensure high readiness and operational synergy. Kadena Air Base, often referred to as the Keystone of the Pacific, serves as the largest U.S. Air Force installation in Asia and plays a pivotal role in rapid air response capabilities across the East China Sea, Taiwan Strait, and the broader Indo-Pacific region. The base is integral to the Agile Combat Employment (ACE) strategy, which emphasizes dispersed operations, rapid mobility, and resilience in contested environments. The deployment of F-35A fighters enhances the combat potential of U.S. forces in the region and serves as a strong deterrent to potential adversaries. The F-35A, the U.S. Air Force's most advanced multi-role fighter, is capable of conducting precision strikes and achieving air superiority in heavily contested environments. Its stealth design, advanced sensor suite, and unparalleled situational awareness provide pilots with a decisive edge, enabling them to detect and engage threats before being seen. These recurring deployments reflect the Department of Defense's long-term commitment to maintaining a credible and flexible force posture in the Indo-Pacific. As regional security dynamics become increasingly complex, particularly with rising tensions around Taiwan and the South China Sea, the continuous rotation of aircraft ensures that the U.S. Air Force remains capable of immediate response and power projection. It also reassures regional allies such as Japan, South Korea, and the Philippines of America's resolve to uphold a rules-based international order. Kadena's sustained operational tempo represents a transitional phase in U.S. air power strategy in the region. With the retirement of aging F-15C divided by D Eagles that had been permanently stationed at the base, the U.S. Air Force has shifted to a model of rotational deployments while awaiting the full integration of the F-15E Eagle II. This modernization effort not only improves survivability and lethality but also adapts to the evolving requirements of high-intensity conflict scenarios. The deployment of F-35s and supporting fighters to Kadena Air Base is a tangible demonstration of the United States' enduring strategic interests in the Indo-Pacific. It reinforces a credible deterrence architecture, enhances the readiness of forward-deployed forces, and exemplifies the U.S. military's ability to rapidly scale operations in support of regional security and alliance commitments. As the Indo-Pacific remains the focal point of geopolitical competition, Kadena Air Base continues to serve as a vital launchpad for American power projection and a symbol of steadfast military presence. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.